Let's talk about how you can actually piggyback or bandwagon and make your first 5, 6, potentially 7 figures as a dropshipping business on your dropshipping store, or even potentially just making your first sale, because it's not that hard. Hello guys, my name is Patrick Nelson, better known as Patty Ecom, and welcome to this new video. I've been posting every single day since Monday. It's super awesome. Today though, I'm under a bit of pressure, so I will try to make this video as uncut and as true and professional as I can possibly be. You're gonna get the real me right now. But the video I want to make today, because I still want to make a video, I want to give you a great video, and this is something that you can think about during your weekend, start working on it and really get at it by Monday morning. Or after work. That is how you can piggyback from big events or moments happen in the next couple of months. So the first thing, the number one thing, as you probably know, is Q4 is coming up, the last quarter of the year. Now the reason why every guy in e-commerce and every business is talking about Q4 so much is because it's simply the biggest month, the biggest period and months where you're gonna make the most money and be the most profitable. Why? Well, simply just because there's so many events coming up. We have Christmas, we have all kinds of holidays, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, November in itself, there's going to be a lot of sales, and I can keep on going. There's so many events, and especially the Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Christmas, Halloween, and you name it. Q4 is just the best month. So that alone, you can sell some products that you will have hard times in selling in the first quarter, second quarter, maybe in the third quarter. You're gonna have easier to sell in fourth. So that's why you have to utilize it. People are more to buy in the fourth quarter. So that's number one, just in general, Q4. Then you have to look at actual events happening. And I'm gonna talk about one in specific that you can use like now. So as we all know, Apple is gonna, every single year in September, they're gonna launch a new phone. This year it's gonna be the iPhone 11. I haven't read about it, anything, but it always happens around, is it what, the 20th of September, something like that? A bit over, a bit less, I'm not sure, but it's happening here in September. So every single year, sales on covers, sales on chargers, sales on accessories for iPhones, all of that, boom, rises up. You can look it up yourself. It makes sense, right? So every year, some thousands of people, if not millions of people, are gonna buy iPhones in September. So they need a cover for that. So that's gonna be a product that I would go in, if I was you, is that I will sell an iPhone cover for the iPhone 11. Now I would pick a cover that is unique in its own matter. We all know, you maybe don't know, but there's an anti-gravity kind of case, where it's like suction cups on the cover, and you can kind of like stick it on the window, on the wall, and all of that. Awesome cover that have been sold a lot, but trust me, it's Q4 and it's September. You can sell it if you want to. You literally can. That's how powerful it is. So that's just to give you an idea. Always look for events. It can be Father's Day, Mother's Day, Christmas, of course, Halloween, and even just companies coming out with products like an iPhone case for September, when iPhone's going to launch a brand new iPhone. Small things like that. So that's what I mean by piggybacking. Not only are you going to piggyback in general of Q4, because you can just sell so many more products that you'll have way harder in selling a couple of months back. And there's so many events. You can find products that's perfect for Halloween. You're going to find products where you can make great offers and deals. So they are for a gift for Christmas. Everything, literally everything, right? And then go for the events, as I just mentioned, Apple launching in September, all of that. So go find the events, search it up on Google, and go at it, and look for products that is going to be ready for this season of the year, which mostly going to be winter, Christmas, and all of that. It's going to be colder most places around the world. So you can find products that's going to help by giving warmth, coziness. People love coziness, especially in December and also a bit of November. So find product that's going to be perfect for the winter, perfect for the season coming up, and something that if it's just slightly different and slightly just different from the competition, it's gonna be even easier as it's Q4, and then go for the wins. So I think that's all I'm going to talk about, I don't want to just drag this video out. This is something that you can literally go on now and do your product research. Find products that fit for the winter, for the Q4. Find products that fit for Apple launching a product. All of that, like really, this is the best time of the year to get into business, to get into e-commerce especially. And especially dropshipping, because you can test so many products so quickly and so easily. So go at it, guys. If you like this video, if you just gained the slightest bit from this video, please go down, subscribe. That will mean that so much. We are soon at 100 subscribers. It's kind of mind-boggling to me. And like, share, comment, do whatever you want. I would appreciate it. But most importantly, if you want to subscribe, please do it. That would help me create awesome content like this and down the line. So yeah, without further ado, I will see you in the next video, and happy weekend.